This is the Panoramagic Range cooker from ILVE. 120 centimeters, 2 ovens. You can cook 2 things at the same time with different temperatures. It's perfect. Both ovens has a rotisserie, so you can have chickens or whatever you want to cook that is spinning around. The design is amazing. It has won several prizes, and as you see here, it's almost like a kitchen cockpit for the big family making great food. Over here is the control panel. It's a TFT display where you control the ovens, and here you have the temperature. It goes all the way up to 320 degrees, so you can make those really crispy pizzas and bread the Italian way. It's really, really good. And here is shown in a combination with a hood and a backsplash. You can get them separately, but I think they look good together. It's like they complement each other. So this is the Panoramagic award-winning range cooker from ILVE.